The numbers increase by 20% and then decrease by 10%. Find the net. Okay. When the number is increased by 20%, well, it becomes 100 becomes 120. It's basically equivalent to saying it's multiplied by 1.2. This is something you should keep handy. I'm not saying that this is how you should tackle all the problems, but you should keep it handy. So when there are successive percentage increases or decreases, any kind of percentage changes, you could just multiply these values instead of doing it in the old fashioned way like this. So 100 plus 20% is 120, and then minus 10% would be minus 12, that is 108. So there's a net change of 8%, positive 8%, that is. Instead of doing that, you could just go, it's 1.2 times a decrease of 10% would be zero point 0.9, that is 1.08. So it's a net positive increase of 8%.